Plaintiff Sheikah Miller says the defendant is addicted to her no-good boyfriend, and he is worse than crack. Sheikah co-signed on a car for the defendant, and the defendant got tickets on the vehicle in Sheikah's name, but never paid for them, so she's suing. Defendant Shaquita Park says Sheikah has some nerve talking about her when she's the promiscuous one. Shaquita admits that Sheikah co-signed on the vehicle, but she claims she was young at the time and had no idea that the tickets were being issued in Sheikah's name.
Prove your case.
I just want to state first that I really do love your show. I listen to you in the morning, headed to school, and I listen to how you help people. So I'm hoping today, like, you can help me with my case, especially help me with the young lady over here, because she's addicted to her man. She is like, this man's worse than crack. So she needs some help.
Why? What?
I mean, I think you deserve better. I mean, he has done everything from slept with one of our friends in our group. I mean, she had a car. It was a nice car.
Well, she deserved better friends too.
Yeah, true that. I just would expect more out of her to stay with somebody. And she tried to fight the girl, and I'm just like, why would you try to fight her?
You don't have any problems in your relationship?
Right. I mean, I may have problems, but I'm not going to stick around with a man that slept with my friend or
so you have your own level of...
Right.
Rhonda, she just go sleep with everybody else.
Oh, my God. Oh, but it don't, I mean, I can do that, but at the same time, I mean, you know, you let... Okay.
You're criticizing her and saying that she should have left her man for sleeping with one of the friends. She says you sleep with everybody, in essence alleging you are a loose woman.
Right. She want me to be how she is, because I don't react to things how she reacts to it. Then she sees me differently. That's not who I am. So because something happened in my relationship don't mean I got to go out and sleep with everybody or do whatever.
That is not what I'm referring to. That you need to go and sleep with everybody else. Only thing I'm telling you is, like, you deserve.
Do you have one man?
No.
I don't have a man now. No, because I won't accept.
She's mad at you for having a man.
I'm not in a relationship now because I will not accept the things that she would expect. I'm not going to accept the fact that my man slept with one of my friends.
Has your man slept with someone?
Right. Nobody that we know about.
Okay,
no
so what you just said is you don't have a man because you want to be with a man who slept with someone else. But that didn't happen to you. So I ask you again, why don't you have a man?
Because I choose not to deal with the stuff men do, like cheat, lie, things like that.
So you choose not to deal with men.
I choose not to deal with men that lie and cheat and things like that. I'd rather be single.
So there's some men who don't lie and cheat, right?
Right. And
so why don't you have one of them?
Because I haven't found one yet, young.
Oh, okay.
When I find one, then we'll do it. Until then, I just want.
So any man that doesn't lie and cheat, that's who you want to be with.
I'm not saying
Let's move on, man. My point is, you can't pass judgment on this woman and what she does with her relationship. You don't even have a man.
That's not the whole thing. That's not the whole thing.
You get a man and see what happens with you. He's going to have some flaws, and you're going to stick with him.
She done did stuff like that before in the past, but I'm so wrong because I handle it differently. But you know.
What else you want me to know, man? Before we get to these tickets you're suing her about.
I mean, overall, she's a good person. We've been good friends. We met in 2000. In 2003, we moved in together. We got an apartment together. And when she had her kids, we was close enough to her kids call me their auntie. I call my niece and nephew. But just over the years, it's just, as time go on, she just showed irresponsibility. But in 2005, she was going through a financial hardship. Again, one of the things that she needed me to be there because, like I said before, we was like two pieces of the pie. We always helped each other no matter what, didn't judge what the reason was. But anyway, she needed me to co-sign for her car title loan.
All right.
I co-signed for the car title loan.
All right. Has she paid it off?
No, the car was repossessed.
Because she didn't pay it?
Because she didn't pay the...
And you're stuck with the bill? I'm
stuck with the bill on the tickets. I was responsible for the tickets as a secondary owner. They put my name on the title. And
no, if you co-signed, you're also responsible for the payment of that note.
No, it wasn't a note. The car
wasn't a note.
The car was already purchased. And what ended up happening was the title had me and her name on it, but I was the one driving the vehicle. She
never kept possession of the vehicle?
No, she never had possession of the vehicle.
So let's get to the tickets then. What tickets does she owe for?
Actually, it's her child father that owed all the tickets on the car.
Yeah,
But
we all back to my
it's in
Right, it's in her name, yes.
It's in her name.
So a person who has possession, legal possession, owes it.
Right. So that's why I came after her for it. And it's tickets back in 2006. In February of this year, I had some outstanding tickets myself. They was about
You
anywhere
had
from
tickets on this car?
No, my car, my vehicle.
All right. And yet your notice from the traffic division said that you have to pay both on your car and on her car?
Yes.
Because your name was on the other car as well?
Yes.
So they gave you a list of tickets for 2 different cars?
Yes.
All right. Let me have the list for the car in question. And you never had that, right?
Yes, I never had that car.
Okay, ma'am, why shouldn't you pay for
The
the
whole
tickets?
thing was that, first of all, this all happened back in 2005, 2006. And we were young, and I didn't even know as when you get tickets at the time that if 2 people on there, they're accumulating her name. So we didn't even hear anything about any tickets from 2000.
You didn't know you were getting tickets?
No, I knew that there was some tickets in my name. But what I'm saying though, at the time, I didn't know. I was about 16 or 17. I didn't know that they were also going in her name too.
No, but how about the ones that you did know that were issued? You didn't know you had to pay for them?
Yeah, I knew.
Well, did you pay for them?
No, I didn't pay for them, Your Honor.
Because that's the bottom line.
No, I didn't pay for them.
You got tickets and didn't pay for them. She's left holding the bag.
Right, but I didn't know that at all. I didn't know that they were being put in her name,
Right.
and they came to my attention in this year of 2010 when she called me and let me know that she couldn't get on a payment plan and mines were up under her name. So I did tell her that I could pay for the tickets. I pay for the tickets, but I didn't know how much the tickets were. I didn't even know how much all the tickets were.
Now
period.
you do.
I didn't even know how much they were.
Now you do. Now what?
Okay, but at the same time, Your Honor, I was going to give her $250 to get on the payment plan.
Okay.
And it was.
But you didn't.
No, I didn't, because when I called her, this is what she said to me. Oh, don't worry about it, because I'm finna take you to court. So I said, okay.
I tried to work it out.
And she has. And you've admitted to accumulating the tickets. She brought you to court and she won $1,084. Have a good day.
My boyfriend didn't come to court because he had nothing to do with this. She sued me. She didn't sue him. You sued me.
But he got the tickets on the car though.
You should have sued him then if you felt like he owed you. Then you should have sued him.
He should have been here to back you up though.
So it didn't matter. It's okay. It don't matter.
He didn't come because he
didn't come because he didn't have to come.
He irresponsible. That's it. He irresponsible.
She sued me.
He don't want to take charges. He gonna let her take the fall.
She sued me. She should have sued him if she felt like she owed them. Then you should have sued him.
I couldn't. He just irresponsible.
Whatever.